Hey, what's up? This is Michael. Today's video is about important things you need to know before you book your business class flight. There are different kind of business classes. There are different kind of airlines. There are different kind of planes, old ones, newer ones. So there are also different kind of comfort in the business class. What you need to know what business class you get for your money. Depends on your expectations and the budget you have. You want to make sure you get a flat bag because that's the business class I'm talking about. That's the comfort. That's the only way how you arrive relaxed, how you arrive with a big comfort. You need to check before you book your flight what your business class includes. One thing we need to make sure that we're talking about long flights. We're not talking about flights under 6 hours. If you get your national business class flight, 2 hour, 3 hour destinations, even 4 hour destinations, you will just have a wider seat in business class. You pay way more, but you just get your wider seat. I'm not talking about this kind of flights. I talk about long flights, 6 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, where it really matters that you get a good sleep or that you arrive just relaxed, just ready to go on your meeting, just ready to go wherever you have to go. Today's video is not about how to get your cheap tickets. If you want to get your cheap tickets, please check down there the description. Just find the video which I made previously to where and how to get the cheap flights. If you look on Google Flights and you search for your flight, there is a little logo on your description which indicates what you are expecting in your business class flight. So what you need to make sure is you get that flat bed sign. Only then and only then you can expect a flat bed. But there are different flat beds. There's like, maybe not different flat beds, but there is just like at an angle. So it's okay, but you do not want to pay like that much more and just be like more. Oh. I don't know if that's what you expect or that's what you would like to get, but you can check it out yourself. Okay, once you found your flight, once you have found the flatbed or what you want to find, you use seatguru.com. This is a website where you can check on what kind of flight you are and how the plane looks from inside, technical wise. So down there is the description where to find the website. So you go with the informations you have, which you found on Google Flights. You take the airline number or the flight number, and you remember that you need to know which date you're going to fly. So which airline, which flight number, and which date. With this three information, you go to Seat Guru. There, you click on the seat map, and you put in that details. Once you do that, you get information about the plane, and there you see how this business class is structured. There's very often also pictures attached. People who fly just add their pictures into that website. So you see there how the plane looks from inside. But not always there are pictures, and there's not always pictures from the business class you want to see. But either way, you can see how the seats are made in the plane while you're looking on that. The third option what you can check is when you have all these details found on Google Flights and on SeatGuru, you put in that flight number on YouTube. Maybe there was somebody before you who took that plane, and made a video about that. So there you see, or you can check how the business class actually looks. But if you're not lucky and you do not find how this look, most of the airlines, once you go to book the flight, you're gonna be able to select your seat, and then you also see how it's made. So if you're gonna still see it is like 2 seats on the left, 4 seats in the middle, and 2 seats on the right, this won't be a bad. So just make sure you get the flat bed, you get that what you pay for. Once you are on Google Flights, so how you see here, you check your departure airport. You add several airports, so the airport you wish for, and the destination airport. So there's also like all New York airports, but you can add like Philadelphia or anything else into it, and you check your dates. When you check on the dates, there's different prices. So, and we have the business class flight chosen. So you get your prices, and we have a pretty cheap flight here for 1,581 euro. That's up and down. It is from, as an example, from Luxembourg to New York Liberty International Airport. So the cheapest business class flights you always get with some stopovers, but that's in the other video. So on this right side here, you see this logo here, and this shows that the flight from Luxembourg to London is like an average flight. Standard seats, 76 centimeters legroom. That's normal when you have like 1.5 hours. They won't give you better seats than that. That's what I meant with we're talking about 6 hours and more international flights. So, but here with Virgin Atlantic, you fly from London to New York, lie flat seat. So if you take the LOT airline, it's a Polish airline. It flies also from Luxembourg to Warsaw and from Warsaw to New York. From Luxembourg to Warsaw, we have again the average legroom, and from Warsaw to New York, we have here this little logo, lie flat seat, and that's what we want. Okay, we have here one more flight. This is Luxembourg through Lisbon to New York with a little bit longer layover. You find different ones. That will be so okay. So, and here is as well lie flat seat. Okay, so what we can do is we take this flight here from Virgin Atlantic. Now we go to Seat Guru. So here we write Virgin Galactic. I hope I wrote it right. Oh, Virgin. I just took Virgin. Okay, and then you add your flight, and we have a date November the 20th. Okay, so here we go. And it founds our flight. We go view map. And here's some information about the flight. Here's how the interior is made. So you see definitely you have like your own place. It is really a bed, and it is a nice business class. Here's some pictures how this might look in in this plane. There's different versions of this plane, so you make sure you check these ones, because sometimes there's really big differences in the between the business class in one plane and the other plane. So you maybe just choose another one if you get like really big difference between one and the other, as you never know which one you get. Give me some comments. Write down there some flights you found. My channel is about traveling and relaxing. If you like to see more videos like how to get your cheap tickets, where to go, nicest beaches, nicest destinations, what to do, where to do, what to take with you, and some relaxed cool stuff like a jacuzzi, I do reviews, planes, flights, products. Subscribe. I'd like to see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.